Hello and welcome to another training video for Enlite POS powered by Dark. Today we're going to continue looking at the billing section, but this is going to be a more laid back video because we're not really going to be demonstrating a lot of stuff, but I do want to cover some of the common billing customizations that we run into and how they might be relevant to your process. So first we looked at this billing dates filter, and we already saw how it moves and decides what charges fall into what buckets down here in the statements, but it can be adjusted so that if in your operation you only charge for invoices that are racked, we can set it up so that it only takes into account, only shows invoices where they've been fully racked. Same thing, maybe you only charge for invoices that have been picked up. We can apply a setting so that this filter only takes into consideration invoices that have been already picked up. A very common arrangement is for dry cleaners that maybe work with a supermarket, where the invoices, the individual invoices that are printed for the customer, don't show any discount, but then at the end of the month, the supermarket is billed at a 20% discount, 30% discount, however you've scheduled that with your partner, and the discount needs to appear here. That is also something that we support. You just have to let us know what arrangement it is that you need, and we'll get that configured for you. Another common one is requesting to use PayPal. So the advantage of PayPal is that no one ever has to give you their credit card number. The users will be able to go into PayPal, see your invoice, and pay it off. And the way that this works is, let's take a look at someone who owes us some money. Right here, we'll take Alfred Pennyworth here. We come over to his statement, and he owes us $50.39. When you have the PayPal setting enabled, the statements have this Pay Now header up here. And that'll go in the email to the customer. And when they press Pay Now, it's going to take them over to PayPal. They'll be able to log into their PayPal account and pay for this invoice. So they never have to give you their credit card, but they're still able to pay for the invoice. And when they apply the payment in PayPal, all the balances will automatically be recalculated in Enlite because PayPal is going to notify Enlite that the payment was made. So that's a great way to allow your customers to pay without having to capture their credit card information. I know it's getting harder and harder these days to get credit card information from customers. There's a lot of privacy concerns. It's a great way to manage it. We see this a lot with some of our delivery customers. Okay, and the last setting that I wanted to cover, I believe we touched on it in the front office section, but it's basically hiding billing customers on the pick and pay screen. So for example, if I come over here and I go to the pick and pay screen, and let's take Arthur here. Because Arthur is a billing customer, we're hiding this pay checkbox. Our store, our operation doesn't allow billing customers to pay at the counter. They always get invoiced at the end of the month, so there's no reason for our employees to be recording payments for them here at this screen. So the way this works is it hides the payment box so the employees can't select it. And once they pick something up, so for example, if I pick up this 921-1, here we'll do this one in the dash 2 as well, and I commit that to the system. Let's go back in there and look at it really fast. If I come back into pick and pay, it goes away, right? Because the employees aren't going to receive payment, and once it's been picked up, it's the employees don't have to worry about it anymore. All of that is going to get taken care of by the billing process at the end of the month. So once they hit pick, the items go away. So that's a very common customization that we see applied a lot for different stores so that the employees don't have to have a bunch of invoices in here waiting to be paid when they know they're going to be paid at the end of the month once the billing process runs. Okay, and that's it. Those are some of the common customizations that I wanted to discuss with you. We looked at setting up the billing screen to only show racked invoices or to only show picked invoices. We talked about a setting so that we can suppress discounts and then just apply the discount at the billing level later on. We talked about using PayPal and how easy it is to have your customers pay you without having to record their credit card on file. And then finally, we talked about hiding the pay box in the pick and pay section so that your employees don't have to deal with unpaid invoices that they know are going to get billed at the very end of the month. So that's it. This was a short one. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. If any of these customizations apply to your operation, just contact the support team. They'll be happy to help you set this up. And as always, thank you for your time, your attention, and your business. I'll see you on the next video.